Hello and welcome to TemerTube. Today I'm going to show you how to automate FreeCAD without even opening the FreeCAD interface. Most CAD engines require the software to be open and active during automation, but FreeCAD gives us something powerful, a Python-accessible CAD engine. This makes it perfect for building web-based applications or automating repetitive drafting tasks. I started by installing FreeCAD. Just search "Download FreeCAD" on Google. Choose the version for your device and install it. At the time of recording, FreeCAD's version was 0.20. Once installed, open FreeCAD. FreeCAD is a free, open-source tool for 2D and 3D parametric modeling. Since my goal is 2D automation, let's quickly look at the drafting tool. Switch the workbench to draft. Change the view to top view. Click the line tool and draw by clicking on two positions. You can modify any object's properties by clicking on the object and changing the properties using the left panel. FreeCAD also includes a Python console at the bottom. If you don't see it, go to View Panel's Python console. For automation, I wanted FreeCAD running on a Linux machine without opening the GUI. I found a helpful YouTube video that explained how to install FreeCAD manually and run Python scripts. To install FreeCAD on Linux, use the commands shown here. Following the tutorial, I wrote a Python script that imports FreeCAD, defines file names, sets cube dimensions, loops 3 times to generate 3 separate FreeCAD files. Inside the loop, following tasks should be done. I created a new FreeCAD document. Add a cube object. Labeled the object. Recompute the document. Modify height and width of the cube. Recompute again. Save the file. Running the script creates 3 FreeCAD files automatically. When I opened the first file, the cube was there, but no layer was assigned. After creating a layer and moving the cube into it, the object became visible with the correct properties. This confirmed that FreeCAD can generate geometry even when the engine is not open. Since my main goal is 2D drafting automation, I searched for FreeCAD API documentation. Inside the documentation, the draft module contains everything needed for drawing lines, creating annotations, moving, rotating, scaling objects, and more. Scrolling down, I found sample code for drawing a line. I copied it into my script. When running the script, I got error, no module named draftutils. I fixed this by adding the path to the draft module. When I run again, I got error, no module named PySide. I fixed this by adding the path to FreeCAD's ext folder. After updating the paths, the script ran successfully. Opening the generated files, the lines were added correctly. In perspective view, Both cubes and lines were visible. This proves that we can automate 2D and 3D drafting using Python without launching FreeCAD's GUI. This approach lets you automate repetitive drafting tasks, build web applications that generate CAD files, run FreeCAD scripts on servers, create batch geometry without user interaction. FreeCAD becomes a headless CAD engine you can control entirely through Python. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you automate your workflow and explore new possibilities with FreeCAD. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TemerTube. Your support helps us create more helpful content.